We're coming up on 1 year since that EF1 tornado hit Armada. Now, thankfully, no one was hurt, but there was significant damage. For some people, like those living in Gaylord, this is how you'll first be alerted to a tornado. But those living in Armada rely on sirens, and now, thanks to federal grant money, they'll soon be getting a lot more.
These trees were bending almost in half, and that's when I knew the only way out of this is God.
Moments on July 24th, Sherry Barfell won't forget. She owns a business in downtown Armada where an EF1 tornado ripped through nearly a year ago. Some places still working on repairs. The roof next to Sherry's partially torn off by those strong winds. So this roof up here was off?
We have the blue building right next door, 12 inches from us.
How were you notified that there was a tornado here?
We heard the sirens coming from the police department.
And now, with the American Rescue Plan money, the township is tripling the number of sirens it has from 4 up to 12, covering all of Armada's 36 square miles. And so you started having these conversations before that tornado happened.
Correct. Early 2019, our fire marshal was working with West Shore, the company that's going to be doing the installation, to look to evaluate our system and to improve it.
The original plan was for 4 additional sirens, costing around $26,000 each.
When the ARPA funds came through, I realized that there was enough money in the ARPA funds just to get the whole township done.
Fire Chief Chris Crotchy says for this rural community, you can't rely on mobile alerts alone.
You have your phone in your hand, it's in your room, is it on mute? These sirens transcend all that.
In Macomb County, individual municipalities are responsible for the cost and installation of tornado sirens. The county will sound those sirens manually for 17 jurisdictions, including Armada. Oakland County manually sounds sirens for all of its municipalities. Residents can also sign up for the Mobile Oak Alert. Wayne County doesn't sound sirens for weather events. Rather, it uses FEMA's mobile alerting system called iPause that can go directly to your cell phone or other mobile devices. The new tornado sirens in Armada will be installed over the next few months. The images from a year ago and from Gaylord still fresh in this community's mind.
Had something like that come through here, you'd want as much notice as possible.
Just because Wayne County doesn't sound sirens during weather events doesn't mean that municipalities located within Wayne County don't have them. Again, notifications do vary depending on where you live. That's why it's so important to know your local protocols. We've posted more information for you on our website, WXYZ.com. Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.